Step 1. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Step 2. Select Network. Step 3. Select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play-pause button on your remote. Step 4. Run speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Step 1. Head to Fire OS settings and select My Fire TV. Step 2. Select Restart. Step 1. Open Fire TV Stick settings and open the My Fire TV menu. Step 2. Select About. Step 3. Check storage capacity from the right sidebar. Step 1. Scroll down to the Settings menu on Fire TV Stick Home. Step 2. Open Applications. Step 3. Scroll down to Manage Installed Applications. Step 4. Select an app that's not loading on Fire TV Stick. Step 5. Scroll down to Clear Cache and click on it. Step 1. Long press on the Fire Stick Home button and go to Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Step 3. Select an app that's not loading on Fire TV Stick. Click on it. Step 4. Select Force Stop from the following menu. Step 1. Head to the Manage Installed Applications menu in Settings. Step 2. Select an affected app. Step 3. Click Uninstall. Step 4. Go back to Fire OS Home and search for the same app. Install it from the Amazon App Store and stream your favorite content without any issues. If you haven't used a specific app for a long time, Fire OS deletes it without your consent to free up space on the device. When you open the Applications menu, you may see a little cloud icon above the app icon. You can try opening the app, but the system takes you directly to the App Store to download it again. When you set up a VPN network on your Fire TV Stick, some of the region-specific apps may not work. You can try opening such apps, but may receive an error like location change detected. You need to disable the VPN and try again. Step 1. Open Fire TV Stick settings. Step 2. Select My Fire TV. Step 3. Open About and select Check for updates. Step 1. Head to My Fire TV in Settings. Step 2. Select Reset to Factory Defaults and follow the on-screen instructions.